Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be transforming this wig together. The first thing we're going to be doing is a bleach bath. So for my bleach bath, I did 1:1 measurement. So I had 50 gram of the bleach powder and then 50 gram peroxide, 30%. That is what I'm using. So I'm just mixing it with hot water, and I'm going to just mix it until I get enough water and then the consistencies I want before I dip the wig into it. So now I have enough. I think I didn't have enough mixture, like the water overpowered a bit, but yeah, it still went in. So you just dip it gradually, and as I'm dipping, I try to like comb it down to make sure that the uh the mixture penetrate into every part of the wig. And after that, I'm just going to dip it in and leave it for the full processing time. So I left it for 30 minutes. I cover it with a nylon bag because the bowl I'm using doesn't have a cover, and that is why I'm covering it with a nylon bag so that I can get maximum result. And this is what I got after 30 minutes. Is just gave me a brown base. The closure part didn't lift, like I didn't get what I really wanted. I want this hair to lift up to level 6 before I go in with my color, but no, it didn't lift up to level 6. I think one of the thing is the bleaching mixture was not enough, so I wash off the bleach from it, and then I use my neutralizing shampoo to wash it off. The purpose of the neutralizing shampoo is to stop the work of the chemical on the hair, and this is what we got after it's fully dry. Can you see the brown base is super beautiful? If all you want is just for your balayage or highlight, this is great. So now I've sectioned the hair into 6 parts, and I'm going to be going in with my bleach the second time. One thing you should know, don't use your blue bleach twice on the hair. So I just want to show you how I do my bleach measurement. And now for this one, I have 60 gram of the bleach, and I'm also going to have 60 gram of the peroxide. This time around, I'm using for 40%, level 40. Yeah. I'm using 40. That is 13%, right? Yeah. So because I want it to be exact, I had to take the extra one out. I don't want anything extra this time around. Don't mix your bleaching powder and peroxide this fast. I just fast forwarded it. So I thought I was filming the part where I was applying the bleach to the closure, the mixture, but I later realized that I was actually just filming the floor. That happens sometimes. So the reason why I went in with the bleaching with the frontal the closure first was because the closure didn't lift. Like it was just there, just the tip that lift a bit, but the root up to like half of it wasn't, like, didn't lift at all. So that is why I went in, started with closure first. So now this is how far we are going. We can see that is lifting, and is lifting well. So now I'm just checking through and be sure that it got to every part of the closure at this point, and now I'm going in with every other part of the hair. So just apply it generously. Make sure every part is properly covered. If not, you are just going to get that brown part, like just the brown, and it won't be uniform, right? So you have to make sure that your mixture gets to every part of it, and then before you go to the next part. So that is all I'm just doing here, just doing the application. So for the closure part, I will apply it to everything first, then I open it section by section again to apply, so that I can make sure it gets to every part of it. So now I'm just showing you, can you see the front, the closure is lifting so fast, and because I want everything to be uniform, I just dip my towel in a water and then just rub it on it. So when you do that, you are stopping the work of the mixture on the hair. You get it? So any part that you think this part is bleaching too fast, if you want it to be uniform, just put your towel in water and then just rub it on it to make you to just stop lifting from that level. It will stay there, and the other part too is lifting so fast, but it has not gotten to what I wanted. So right now I've applied to everything, and this is it. Can you see everything is giving what I wanted to give at this point? So we've gotten to level 6, level 7 that we want, and it's time to wash it up. The reason why I'm showing you this part is because I want you to see what I'm going to be doing with this hair. So when I'm washing, after washing first, I wash with my neutralizing shampoo. Very important. You know, the first time I only used the neutralizing shampoo, but this time around I'm not just going to use the neutralizing shampoo and stop. I'll use the other shampoo on the hair. So right now the hair is so hard, you know, because I'm washing off the chemical mixture on it, and everything feels so tough. So after washing it off, I'm going in with my purple shampoo. So the purpose of the purple shampoo is to remove the brassiness, like the unwanted color that I don't want to see on it. I want it to be clean. Like I want my level 6 to be super clean, and that is why I'm using that. For me, I had the purple shampoo and then I leave it for like 2 to 3 minutes before I wash it off, and this is what we have. So now I'm going in with my conditioner. Very important. This conditioner is what is going to soften the hair again, and at this point you'll be able to brush it. But while you're still shampooing the hair, brushing it might be impossible. So that is why I just wait, add my conditioner to it. You see, this particular conditioner is so amazing. I've tried other ones and they also worked too. So this is it after it's fully dry. Can you see how beautiful it is? Like if you want some kind of golden color, you can just carry this or just add a bit of color to just enhance it. And do you observe that hair, even after doing double bleaching, is still healthy? Just do the right procedure. So now this is our color mixture, and I'm showing you different colors that will be used. So the first color I added was 4.99, and the next one is 5.99, and the next one you'll be seeing is 5.88. So the first one I used 20 gram, the second one I used 35 gram, and then the third one I also went in with 20 gram of this one. Oh, I went with 26 gram of this one as well. So I added everything together and I went in with the developer. They have to be equal because Igora is 1:1, and for this particular one, because I want it to lift, I don't want it to just deposit color, I use 30 volume. Yeah, so I use 30 volume and then the mixture. So the reason why I'm spraying water is because I want the color to penetrate faster. You can still apply it on a dry hair, but it's better when you apply it on a damp hair. It doesn't have to be super wet, right? So and when you're applying, just make sure you apply it to every part of the hair, because if you don't So you are not going to be seeing color in some part and you see color in some part of it. And that is why I'm making this part a bit slow so that you can see. And then I'll be running the brush through it like I'm using it to comb the hair. This is for me to be sure that the color has gotten to every part of the hair. So I'm just going to continue this process until I get to the closure part. Like, so if you are new to this channel, welcome to this channel. On this channel, we do everything hair, everything wig, product recommendation, different hairstyles, especially for your girls. Now, I don't do much for my girl because she make her own choice now, and then I just have to follow it because she's no longer a baby, she's growing. So I'm giving her the opportunity to make decision and to do whatever she wants with her hair. But anytime she want me to do it, of course, we are still going to be posting our different styles and you are still going to be seeing it. So if in case you bleach your hair and some parts are not giving the level you want to give, maybe you want a level 6 and some part is giving you level 5, go in with your color to those parts first before you go in with the one that is giving you the level 6 that you want. Is that okay? So just apply, and this is how far we have gone. Now when you're applying, make sure that you are detangling the part you want to apply the hair into. Like, it's super important. And then like, so that you don't get issues with the hair. And when you're applying to the closure, because I forgot, okay, I actually sprayed the closure, but I didn't do it on time. I've started adding the applying the color to the closure before I remember that I didn't spray the closure. So the purpose of spraying the closure with your got2b spray or your old spray is so that this closure doesn't get stained. So that is why we spray our closure. And when you're applying to the closure part, you have to do a tiny section. Like, your section by section has to be as tiny as possible. This is to ensure that the hair gets to every part of the closure. So after this, I will go in and wash off this color. After washing the color, that is when the hair will be treated, right? So you don't treat the hair before applying the color. You treat after color application and after everything. Can you see how beautiful this hair is looking? So this customer actually wanted something burgundy, and we give you. So this is our got2b heat protectant. This is a conditioning heat protectant, so it gives your hair some beautiful shine. Like, it's so awesome. So make sure you apply it generously to the hair. So we have these two brushes. When you want to blow dry for your hair and you want it to be straight, use the wooden one. When you want a coily hair, like maybe your wavy or your bouncy hair, and you want to give it some curls, use the metal one, like the other one that I showed you in the video. So now we blow dry the hair, like blow dry heat. Make sure you also open the back up, open up the back, the middle, and blow dry it, everything, like everything. So the purpose of the blow dry is to give the hair that straight silky look that you want before you go in with your straightener. So this is my straightener. I went in and I did the highest, and now I'm doing my silk treatment on it to give you that silky look. So I'm just going to be spraying it, not too much, on each on each line. So because I'm working in section, so this is what it looks like. So I use my comb, my baba comb and my straightener on the hair, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what I did with the first layer. So it's comb straightening comb, I don't know what it's called. So just like you just have your comb underneath and then you straighten through. This one gives you a better and a faster result than when you are just doing it without the comb, because the comb is helping you in straightening the hair even before the straightener gets to the hair. Like, you just make it super clean, super neat, and then you get a very, very beautiful, result. So that is the purpose of using the comb and then with your straightener. This is what we got. Like, can you see how beautiful this is? So I went in with my clipper and I trimmed the back a bit. So now I want to show you how I'm going to be bobbing this hair. So the reason why I didn't bob it at first was because the hair needed a trim. So, and I don't want to bob it and start trimming it. So it's just best when you straighten it first, then give it the trim that it needs, and then go back and bob it. So now this time we don't need the comb anymore. So when you want to bob, when you are going down, don't just bend your straightener like you're just bending it and it will, no, that way you are not going to be getting the natural bob look that you are supposed to be getting. So I'm going to be showing you this other row to show you how I do the bob. Just follow these steps. It's going to give you a better result than to like put pressure on it when it gets to the tip. No, you don't have to put too much pressure on it for you to get what you really, really want. So for people that has been watching my video and you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel because there are more goodies that will be coming your way on this channel. So please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that every time I upload video you can get notified, and share with family and friends. And for all my returning subscriber, thank you so much. We really appreciate your view. So there's something I need to tell you. You see how the air is flying, like you see all those fly over. If you want to tame it down, it's very easy. Just put your holding spray it on your comb and just use it to comb it, and that is all that you need to do. So for the closure, because closure has a baby hair, all those small ones, I'll first comb it, like use my stick my glue stick, use it to like bring all the baby hair together, then use the serum on it and then comb everything together, while I also use my hot comb to bring all the hair together before I straighten the closure part. And when I'm straightening, of course, you have to work in section. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next one. This is the amazing result you are going to get if you follow this process. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. Bye.